Hello everyone, our topic for today is about city buildings. Vocabulary: office block, skyscraper, skyscraper, department store, prison, factory, and shrine. What building is it? An office block. An office block is a large building with many floors that contains offices. Again, an office block is a large building with many floors that contains offices. What building is it? A skyscraper. A skyscraper is a very tall building. Again, a skyscraper is a very tall building. What building is it? A shrine. A shrine is a religious building usually connected to a person or event. A shrine is a religious building usually connected to a person or event. What building is it? A prison. A prison is a building where people are put as a punishment. Again, a prison is a building where people are put as a punishment. What building is it? A factory. A factory is a large building where things are made. Again, a factory is a large building where things are made. What building is it? A department store. A department store is a large building that sells many kinds of products in different parts of the building. Again, a department store is a large building that sells many kinds of products in different parts of the building. Structure. What building can you find in your city? I can find a block. For example, I can find a temple building. I can find a school building. I can find a supermarket building. Let's read the following sentences and answer, what building is it? Number 1. It produces cars and employs thousands of people. Very good. Factory. Number 2. One of the tallest buildings in the world is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Very good. Skyscraper. Number 3. The bank robbers were sentenced to 15 years there. Good job. Prison. Number 4. I worked there for a design company on the 3rd floor. Very good. Office block. Number 5. It usually houses the holy objects for worship. Very good. Shrine. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.